Good morning and welcome to ETHR World's Talent 4.0 conference. We're very happy to be here. There's an interesting lineup of speakers today. And not only are we proud to be here and start the day off for everyone, we're also very excited to listen to all the upcoming speakers throughout the rest of the day and the panelists. Some very interesting topics out there. Obviously, at the same time, we're quite happy that we're here with the Friday morning slot and not the Friday evening slot when most people will be eager to shut their laptops, start their personal life. But anyhow, let's dive straight in. My name is Kunal Bedarkar. I head corporate business development at Superset. So my team and I go after large corporates, trying to convince them to change everything that they do with respect to campus. Clearly, fun times. Superset is a 4-year young startup based in Bangalore. We have the unique position in the market of having a college and a corporate vertical with the same offering, which is a SaaS-based solution to automate the end-to-end campus placement season. Colleges love us. We have 800 plus partners, and we've already shown great value to major campus hiring companies like Capgemini, HDFC Bank, RPG Group, Costa Labs, Scotts Group, and more recently, we've gone live with Cognizant as well. The main offering of Superset, end-to-end campus recruitment automation. And I kid you not, the first time I saw the platform was for my job interview for this role. And the only thought that came in my head was, this is an ATS on steroids. I want to be a part of it. I have two of my colleagues with me, Naman Agarwal, CEO and co-founder at Superset, Pranjal Goswami, co-founder and chief operating officer at Superset. Glad to have you here. Good to be connected for this conversation. Naman, just a quick question for you. What is the vision of Superset?
Okay, so we believe that current methods of early talent hiring, have truly lived their life, and the future is going to be vastly different. The current processes are riddled with many problems, and to solve for it, while we offer SaaS to corporates and companies to automate their campus placements processes, what we are actually building is a career network of early talent, and the ultimate goal is to democratize opportunities.
Great. Can you go back down memory lane and tell me, say, in 4 to 5 sentences, what was the original motivation behind Superset?
Okay, so while we were still in college, we were already looking at the campus recruitment space as a problem area. And then we figured out there were so many problems prevalent in the university campus recruitment. At the same time, we also found out that there was a huge gap in terms of the entire campus recruitment space, even with the employers as well, because there was no well-rounded product in the market. Like whatever products existed, big or small, they were just retrofits of some existing technology that has existed for more than 2 decades now. And there was certain lack of innovation in that particular space. So the motivation was to be able to change and bring innovation to this particular area and bridge the gap that is actually going to help students get better first jobs while they graduate out of college.
Cool. Naman, there was an interesting student query that came on our Facebook messenger recently. And there was a student that wrote saying, sir, I'm doing my 4th year in BTech currently in this college. And I've been a topper year on year. But none of the top hiring companies that you work with or that are there in the market seem to want to hire from my college. And I know I'm as good or I'm better than some of the other students in other colleges. I've proven that. So Naman, the question to you is, why are companies concentrating on the brand name of a college or the location of the college and not really going to all nooks and corners of the country?
Yeah, that's a very good question, in fact. So if you look at the India market, and as opposed to a US or a European market, colleges in India are very, very fragmented. There are about 49,000 higher educational institutions out there. And obviously, corporates cannot go to each and every campus to spot a few bright candidates because there's a huge cost involved. Also, there's a big pain to research, find, contact, communicate back and forth with remote colleges. No one really wants to take that effort. Also, for most of the corporates, the list of colleges is not very evolved, I must say. So solution really is that someone needs to bring a change in terms of providing a consolidated access to all of this talent that is distributed over thousands of institutions in India. And at Superset, we decided to solve that particular problem. In fact, let me show you a quick demo about it, and this will become clearer. You get access to 24,000 colleges listed on your account. There's an inbuilt database on the demographics, rankings, placement statistics, and contact details of the placement cell. You can place filters on tiers, etc., and just target a list of campuses for yourself. To be able to post a job to them, you can create a job opening as a one-time activity. You give in the job details, description, and the other criteria. Then you define the eligibility preferences, the batch that you want to target in particular. If you're looking at any specific UG or PG courses, if there are any specific specializations that you want to hire from, and whatever eligibility criteria you have in terms of cutoffs and marks. Then you define a hiring workflow, and you just in a click post the job to multiple campuses out there. Students automatically land on career microsites that Superset designs for you. You can look at multiple career microsites that you've designed, for example. As the applications come, you are able to look at them in real time. You can look at the entire applicant pool, the resumes, the entire database, and with some quick and neat filters, you can simply publish the shortlist.
Thanks for that, Naman. The ease of communication that the platform is offering and the high level of configuration available is clearly of great value today. I mean, you could have a traditional organization like a Maruti, which is a large campus hiring company, and an MNC like Google targeting, in some situations, the same engineer from the same college. But the whole value proposition is vastly different from organization to organization. And companies need this avenue to take their message and to take their EVP and present it to students. How are you disrupting this engagement, branding, communication space between colleges and corporates and back and forth?
Okay, so in fact, let me run a video snippet here too. You see, companies have evolved and they need to take their message to the ground. Gen Z, as we are calling it these days, they are super connected and follow these companies on social media and news platforms and on whatnot. Glassdoor, in fact, tells you more about the company than talking to someone ever will, right? And speaking the language of Gen Z is really important. Communicating the right way is important too. And this was, in fact, key to our product vision. So we built an engagement platform ground up, which not only allows you to automate your engagement efforts, but also do them in a sustainable manner over a period of time. And also gives you ability to target talent right from their first year onwards, so that your talent acquisition just isn't a transaction, but much more than that.
So clearly, I'm saying the platform is able to not only target live campus students, but you are able to, corporates can access students of previous batches also from the Superset platform. Is that correct?
That's correct, yes.
Okay, great. There is obviously the topic, everything in this scenario that we're talking revolves around education. And there is a big difference between education and employability. During my previous stint, I was there at Aon CoQ for 6 years, and we were very aggressively trying to solve for this, to help students self-evaluate and know where they stand and work in a certain direction. Of course, more and more companies are using employability assessments, online assessments for shortlisting, whether it's a rejection filter or a selection filter. Pranjal, what's your take on this? And does Superset have an assessment platform inbuilt too?
Well, yes and no. So assessments have been very pivotal in terms of filtering or screening the top of the funnel, so that you have the candidates who are relevant to your role or relevant to that particular company, right? At the same time, there are million-dollar companies built on just assessments, because it's a deep science. It's not just a simple questionnaire or a quiz that like the students give answers to a few questions and the assessments are done. It's very involved. So it has to be adaptive. It has to hit the right spots in terms of what skill the role requires, and so on and so forth. At the same time, Superset has very tight integrations with all the leading assessment vendors in the country. So if let's say a student has to go through a company's hiring process, the experience will be seamless, even for the employer as well as for the student. because it's so tightly integrated that the student might not even know that they are going to another platform for that particular assessment. And at the same time, without even developing assessment expertise in-house, we are using the expertise of these industry leaders. And of course, there is no conflict that we have because we don't have an in-house assessment. So we can actually, even if we don't have an existing integration, we can integrate with any of the existing assessment vendors in the country.
So clearly another piece of the puzzle that is there in your scenario, so that corporates don't have to leave or break the chain and go elsewhere and come back.
Yeah.
Obviously, that makes sense. Naman, question for you. You got selected on campus and you joined Partner on EY. Can you take us operationally through the process that you experienced, with respect to the interview stage?
Sure. So this was many years ago, so I'll try to recall as much as I can. So, I remember we took a flight to Bombay from Calcutta, which was the nearest airport to, Kharagpur. And obviously Parthenon paid for that travel. And I recall we spent 2 full days, at their office, going through 6 rounds of interviews. Yes. And I also remember, in fact, at some point, eating just a lentil soup in a hurried lunch break because there were no restaurants nearby. So physically, it was quite tiring, because of the logistical issues, the wait time, and, to be able to manage all of these things in a physical setting.
Do you see this process at all relevant in today's day and age?
Well, no, not really. And my answer has nothing to do with the pandemic per se. In fact, Superset launched its, virtual drive simulator DriveX well before the pandemic started. We'll look at, about that in a couple of minutes. I feel that going to campus and hiring in person, in my personal opinion, it's a good practice. It's costly, but that's fine. What is not fine is the operational nightmare it causes, the amount of papers and emails being exchanged, the students sweating in an auditorium in their best suits, not knowing how much longer they will have to wait, if they should hop onto other company in some other hall instead, not being able to take eating breaks or resting breaks. In fact, in my college times, I remember, I've seen my fellow batchmates, some of the students literally fainting in those auditoriums because they were not able to take breaks for hours continuously. So we decided to solve for that particularly, not by changing the process, but by taking the pain out of it. In fact, let me show you how. I have a recorded demo. So HRs can create a virtual drive, set up the campus they want to hire from, add panel members, and create multiple virtual interview rooms. It's a one-time few minute setup. Panel members can give in their availability when they're available to take interviews. Availability is automatically mapped to the virtual interview rooms. Students are automatically assigned a slot in which their interview will start. Now, on the day of the drive, as a coordinator, you simply see all the students on the right and all the virtual rooms on the left, and you simply drag drop a student into a virtual room. You see online, offline statuses for everyone. Panel member sitting in some other city simply looks at the student profile who was put in the room and just starts the interview. They get into the video interview call. Now, as they're doing so, student receives ringer on their interface to get into the video call. Student does so too. And while the interview is going on, panel member can simply fill in the feedback. As a coordinator, you're quickly able to see that the student's interview was completed. You can put the student through a next round of interview. You can also see how student has been moving through different interviews, the interview recordings, etc. Finally, you can just mark a student as offered or rejected. While this is going on, you can track an overall summary of real time, how many interviews going on, offered, rejected, etc. And as you punch offers, they get stacked over here, and you can simply roll out offer letters, collect documents, and then data finally flows through your HRMS.
So that's clearly super impressive and very convenient for employers to use. In the so-called new normal, how do you think Superset is going to define what happens out there? How is Superset going to define the future of campus hiring?
To answer the first part of your question, new normal will be 75 to 80% from home. Everyone sees sense in it. Look at this, hundreds of great minds. And I'm happy to include 3 of us in it, have gathered here today for the ETHR 4.0 TA conference without a single person moving out. While all of us will miss the physical interactions and exchanges, and of course, the drinks and the chit chat post conference, none of us are really losing out on valuable content. We are all learning and, much and much more. This is how we see campus happening in future with Superset as well. And I must say, the future really starts in July 2021.
Okay. And do you think corporates are going to buy this vision of yours?
Well, they already are. Last year in 2020, we had about 8 lakh candidates flowing through the Superset platform, generated about 2 lakh odd job offers, and we expect these numbers to triple this year.
Great. So I think that's our time. It's been very interesting chatting with both of you. That's it from our side at Superset. ETHR World Talent 4.0 continues. We will be at our booth. Do drop by. We have some interesting material that you can download, some literature that you can consume. Of course, we'll be there to chat with you live in case you have any questions or any feedback to share. Thanks for an enriching experience, ETHR World, and we look forward to spending the rest of the day with you. Thank you.